I'm going to show you how to make a Spartan shield. So this is a Hoplon shield here. One of these. Alright, step one. Open up your email. Now you're going to be sending this email to your art teacher. Subject: can you help make a Spartan shield for me? Now you type your email. Then include a picture. And I found this YouTube video where somebody makes a Hoplon shield. And it's just, out of some plaster, actually paper mache, and one of those circular sleds that it's just a simple, it looks like a trash can lid, sort of. I'm gonna put that link into the YouTube video. And then, because your art teacher is absolutely amazing and will do anything for the students, just send the email. And you wait.
2 weeks later.
The next step of the process is to go to the art room and pick up this awesome piece of work from your incredible art teacher who did it all for you. Thank you. All right.
So there you have it. That's how you make a Spartan Hoplon shield. I hope you enjoyed the video, and good luck to you as you make your own.